Hi everyone, welcome to Global Desk with Damilola, where we talk about freelancing, remote jobs, and how to earn in dollars while living right here in Nigeria. If you've been searching for a job for years, or you simply want to increase your income and take control of your time, then this video is for you. Today, we'll talk about the real benefits and importance of working online. This is not just theory, but I'll be teaching you from experience today. I've been working and earning for a couple of years now, and I know and have trained people who now earn thousands of dollars every month. So, if you're tired of job hunting or earning just enough to survive, let's talk about why working online can change your life. If my videos have been helpful to you and or interesting to you, kindly subscribe so that other people who are interested in freelancing can see my videos. Thank you. So, we're going to talk about why you should work online. Whether you are a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just tired of the 9 to 5 struggle, working online gives you options. The internet offers countless opportunities to earn from anywhere. With the right skills, you can earn in dollars, euros, or pounds while living in Nigeria. But before you start, remember this: success online doesn't happen by accident, it starts with clarity. That is why you should have a goal and purpose. First, you should define your goal. Why do you want to work online? You should also identify your purpose. What do you want to achieve? Lastly, you should set an agenda. How will you measure success? Now, let's get into the main benefits of working online. The first one is that working online maximizes your income. I mean, one of the biggest advantages of working online is that you can work for multiple employers across the world, from the US to Canada, Australia, the UK, Dubai, India, and so on. And the best part is that you're paid in dollars, euros, or pounds. In summary, you're paid in foreign currencies, which means that you work globally and spend locally. That's right. You earn in dollars and you spend in Naira. Many freelancers started from zero and now make more money online than they ever did at their traditional jobs. Some even cleared their debts and became financially independent, all because they learned how to use the internet to earn legitimately. If financial freedom is your goal, this is one of the best routes to achieve it. As I said earlier, you work for clients across the world, you get paid in foreign currencies, you convert earnings to Naira and enjoy higher income. For example, I know a freelancer that makes well over $3,000 in a month. That is almost 4.5, 4.6 million Naira in our local currency. So if financial freedom is your goal, this is one of the best routes to achieve it. Don't forget, online work gives you the chance to earn big no matter your location. The next benefit is that you achieve a healthy work-life balance. That is, you choose your own working hours. You work from home or anywhere you like. You spend more time with family or on your hobbies or on other things you want to use your time for. So imagine working while traveling or resting at home. I mean, that's a real balance. When you work online, you control your schedule. You decide when to work, when to rest, and when to spend time with your loved ones. It is flexible. You can combine your current job with your local gigs or even work full time from home. No traffic, no unnecessary stress, no bus wahala on Lagos roads. I mean, you're just at home with your skill, your device, and your determination. The next is that you enjoy real freedom. Freedom is not just quitting your job, oh. It is earning on your own terms, because if you quit your job without having a backup plan, I mean, you'll be left stranded. So it is earning on your own terms. All you really need to get started is a smartphone and an internet connection. Yes, you heard that right. Many freelancers work entirely from their phones. That means you can work from anywhere, from your bedroom, in transit, or even while traveling. Online work gives you the kind of freedom that most 9 to 5 jobs can offer. You can earn from anywhere at any time. Number 4 is that working online helps you build a strong global network. This is because while working online, you meet clients from the US, UK, Canada, India, Australia, and so on and so forth. You also create lasting relationships with these clients, which can make them turn to your repeat clients. This means that they will definitely come back to offer you more similar jobs that are relevant to your skills. Also, you would grow your professional connections through these global networks that you have built for yourself. There's a popular saying, your network is your net worth. Through freelancing, I personally have connected with clients from the US, Sweden, India, Canada, Singapore, and many other countries. Beyond the money, these connections have opened amazing doors. Doors of mentorships, recommendations, as well as paid partnerships. So, as you work online, don't just focus on the money. Be professional, be diligent and honest. Build lasting relationships. Some clients may help your career in ways you can't even imagine. Your next big opportunity might come from a client in another continent. The next advantage or benefit of working online is that you keep learning and growing. Working online keeps your mind active. You get to learn how to use new tools, you get to learn new skills and new communication styles. You also gain confidence as you master more tasks. One thing I love about working online is that you never stop learning. Every new project helps you gain knowledge, improve your skills, and build confidence. Over time, you'll notice how much smarter, faster, and more creative you have become, not just as a freelancer, but as a person. When you work online, every project teaches you something new. Now, a quick recap. We have learned that working online would help you earn globally and spend locally. You work on your schedule, you enjoy freedom from anywhere, you build meaningful relationships, and you keep learning and growing. These are the top benefits that make online work one of the smartest career moves today. So if you've ever doubted that online work could change your life, now you know it truly can. Are you ready to begin? If you are, start learning online skills today. Follow this series to discover how to set up, find clients, and to start working and earning online. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Global Desk with Damilola, where I'll continue teaching you practical ways to build freelancing career and start earning online. Remember, you don't need to travel abroad to earn in dollars. Your phone and skills are enough. Thank you very much for joining me today, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.